guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have a hair tutorial and I did partner up with Sally Beauty to bring you this video. In this video I did use a bunch of ion products from Sally Beauty. I really hope that I did simplify these hairstyles for you guys, but in case I missed something or you guys have questions about something, feel free to comment your questions down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. In this video I will show you how I achieved the movement, the body of my hair, and also this tiny little hair tutorial along with two other ones. So if you're interested in seeing what hairstyles I came up with, then just keep watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
If you guys did hear my kids in the background in the intro, that is the reason I'm going to be doing this video in a voiceover. I'm always rocking the mom bun, but for today I want to do something to my hair to make myself look put together. And I wanted to do very simple hairstyles. The first thing that I'm going to be using is the Ion Detangling Shine Mist. This shine mist has a lot of great benefits, but the main benefits that really drew me in were the fact that it helps detangle your hair, it smooths out your hair adding shine, and it protects it from styling, so from heat. I forgot to film the part where I'm applying it to the hair. It's just a little spray nozzle, and this product does not weigh down my hair whatsoever. It's very lightweight. I have very fine hair, and when it air dries, it's just really, it looks really dull. And when I straighten it, it just looks too flat. So I found this next product that I really wanted to share with you guys. I picked it out because I think it will benefit a lot of people. This tool works just like a blowout. It adds shine, it adds volume, movement, and it just makes your hair feel and look healthy, which is the most important part. So I begin by applying the brush towards the root area, of course by sectioning the hair out, and then just lifting at the root to add that volume, and then working it throughout the strand, and then twirling it at the end to add that little curl at the bottom. In case you didn't know, I did attend hairdressing school, and one thing that I enjoyed doing was round brushing. Doing blowouts on my clients really made them feel very confident with all of the volume, the movement, and how healthy their hair felt. So I just thought of sharing this product with you guys because I think it's a perfect alternative to a blowout. I'm just going to continue to work through sections, and it's very repetitive on what I'm doing, but if you guys have questions, please let me know down in the comments. Now that I'm beginning to work towards the top part of my head, I'm going to be using this Ion Volumizing Root Lift, and this has a medium hold. It allows the volume to stay at your root area whenever you're using this brush. I would kind of describe this product as like a hairspray, but it doesn't leave like any residue or any stickiness. It just really holds that volume at your root. And this also, you're supposed to shake it and you apply it 8 to 10 inches away from your hair. And then the product, you work it in with your fingertips. I wait for the root lift to dry down before using the brush because I don't want my hair to fry. And I'm just going to be focusing the brush at the root so that it really adds that volume into my hair. And again, it's going to be very repetitive, and I'm going to speed through this. I do have a DIY blowout here on my channel. I'm going to go ahead and link it up above in case you are interested. And look at how this brush works, just like a blowout. Let's get started with the first hairstyle. So for the first hairstyle, I really wanted to do a half bun because I'm half mom and I half want to be cute. Personally, I don't like having hair in my face ever. And I find this hairstyle to just look very cute, very chic. You can definitely add some curls, but I just really enjoy having this volume in my hair. So I just went as is, and either way, you can never go wrong with this hairstyle. What I'm doing now is applying a second elastic tie towards the end of my hair, and then going and stretching out the middle section between the two elastic bands. Hopefully that makes sense, but just stretching it out to make it appear wider. I'm going to split the little ends of my hair into two and then grab it and start turning it inwards. If you have fine hair like myself, it's very difficult to do buns because your buns just never look as full. So I found this really neat way to do a full bun, you know, make the illusion of having a full bun. And I really hope that you guys enjoy this. Since I have a lot of short little hairs towards the front of my face because I previously did have some bangs, I am going to be adding some volumizing shine mousse. And the reason I'm using mousse is because I'm going to be doing other hairstyles after this one. If there is a hair product that I use the most, it is mousse, and I really enjoy using this mousse because not only does it smell really good, it just helps control those flyaways, those pesky little hairs. Moving on to the next item, I'm going to be using this root cover fill-in powder in dark brown, and I like using this powder because it creates the illusion of having a full head of hair. Like I mentioned, I have very thin hair and it's very obvious, so I just like to use this to fill in those little empty spaces. You don't have to do this, but if you're insecure about having little hair, then you will probably enjoy this product. Moving along to the second hairstyle. For this second hairstyle, I'm also going to be doing another half updo, and I'm going to create a parting at the temples of the head and then just putting that up with a little elastic band. I'm going to bring that section forward, and then I'm going to take another parting and just make sure that you smooth out the sides. Once you have tied that one, then you're going to create a little, what do you call it? Like a little loop in the top one, and then you're going to bring the strand in the back in through that little loop. Be sure to tighten up each parting, especially the top one. I have a lot of baby hairs and a lot of flyaways, so I'm using the mousse once again, and I decided to take some hairspray for this hairstyle because we're almost at the end of this video. So I went in with the finishing spray. This is also by Ion. This is 100% vegan and paraben free. This is what the back of your head should look like. It creates like a little cute pomp in the back. Hairstyle numero 3. For the third hairstyle, I'm going to do a little zigzag parting. And then I'm going to be doing regular little braids on both sides. I would do French braids, but I feel like everyone can do a regular braid. Once I have completed both braids, I'm going to tuck it behind the ear and secure it with a bobby pin. And that wraps it up for this hairstyle. Super easy. You already have the volume and you're ready to go. So I really hope that you guys found this video helpful, and hopefully you guys do try some of these hairstyles. They're super simple, like I mentioned. And also I want to give a huge thank you to Sally Beauty for sending over some of these products for me to try on and achieve the hairstyles that I did. So thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.